Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is your mathematics teacher Mrs. Subrat Abassam. Today I am going to teach you chapter 3 of class 10 variations. In this chapter I will teach you ratio, proportions and variations. So first of all, what is ratio? A relation between two quantities of the same kind measured in same unit is called ratio. If A and B are two quantities of the same kind and B is not zero, then the ratio of A and B is written as A ratio B, or in fraction form you can write this as A over B. For example, if a hockey team wins 4 games and loses 5, then the ratio of games won to games lost is 4:5. Or in fraction form, it can be written as 4 over 5. Remember that the first point in ratio is the order of the elements in a ratio is important. For example, A ratio B not equal to B ratio A, or in numerical 4:5 not equal to 5:4. Second point is in ratio A ratio B, the first term A is called antecedent and the second term B is called consequent. Third point is a ratio has no units. Now we will start exercise 3.1 and the first question is express the following as a ratio A ratio B and as a fraction in its simplest or lowest form. So we start the first part of this question, rupees 750 and rupees 1250. So in ratio, this can be written as 750 ratio 1250. Now we divide both the numbers by 10. So 750 by 10 ratio 1250 by 10. 0 will be cancelled by 0 on both sides in numerator and denominator. So we get here 75 ratio 125. Now student, you can see here that 75 and 125 again they are divided by 5. So after dividing these two numbers by 5, we get 75 by 5 will give us 15 and 125 by 5 will give us 25. Now again both the numbers 15 and 25 can be divided by 5. So we again divide this by 5. So 15 by 5 gives us 3 and 25 by 5 we get here 5. So the last or lowest form of this ratio is 3:5, or in fraction form it can be written as 3 over 5. Now second part of the question is 450 centimeter and 3 meter. अब यहाँ पे आप लोग देखिए कि 450 सेंटीमीटर हैं और 3 मीटर्स हैं, तो हमें चेंज करना होगा 3 मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में. So as you all know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter equal to 300 centimeter, and we can write 450 centimeter ratio 3 meter equal to 450 centimeter ratio 300 centimeter. Now this equal to unit ignore किया तो 450 ratio 300. Now we divide this by 10, 450 by 10 ratio 300 by 10, and we get here 445 ratio 30. Now 45 and 30, both number can be divided by 5, and after division we will get 9:6. Now again 9 and 6 can be divided by 3, so we divide both number by 3, 9 over 3 ratio 6 over 3, and after cancellation we get here 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6, so we get 3:2. Or in fraction form it can be written as 3 by 2. Now fourth part of the question is 27 minutes 30 seconds and 1 hour. इन दो क्वांटिटीज को हमने रेशो में कंप्यूट करना है। सो 1 आवर टाइम में ये 1 आवर आपके पास सबसे ग्रेटर है, तो यहाँ पे हमने सबसे लोएस्ट में लेके आना होता है। तो मिनट 27 मिनट को भी हम 30 सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और 1 आवर को भी हम सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करेंगे। तो मिनट को सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 1 टाइम बाय 60 और आर को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम 2 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 60 into 60 से। So now look at the question, 27 minute 30 second ratio 1 hour equal to 27 into 60 plus 30. Now these whole are combined are seconds, and 1 hour can be written as 1 into 60 into 60 second. Now the both quantities are in second. So after multiplication and simplification, that is 27 into 60 plus 30 will give us 1650, and 1 into 60 into 60 will give us 3600. Now both the numbers can be divided by 10. So 1650 by 10 ratio 3600 by 10, and 0 की cancellation से we will get 165 ratio 360. Now students, you can see here that both the number 165 and 360 can be divided by 5, and after dividing these two numbers by 5 we have 33. 160 by 5 से हमें मिलेगा 33 and 360 by 5 से हमें मिलेगा 72. So 33 ratio 72 is our next ratio. और यहाँ पे आप देखें कि फिर ये दोनों नंबर जो हैं 3 पे डिवाइड हो रहे हैं। जब 3 पे हम इनको डिवाइड करेंगे, so 3 11s are 33 and 3 24s are 3 2s are 6. तो यहाँ से आपको 1 रिमेनिंग है और 1 और 2 से 12 बन गया, तो 3 4s are 12. So you have 11 ratio 24 is the lowest form of the ratio 27 minute 30 second and 1 hour. Now this can be written in fraction form as 11 by 24. This is the answer of the question. Now question number 2. In a class of 60 students, 25 students are girls and remaining students are boys. Compute the ratio of number 1 boys to total students and number 2 boys to girls. So the first is boys to total students. गिवन डेटा हमारे पास यहाँ पे क्या है, टोटल स्टूडेंट्स दिस इक्वल टू 60, नंबर ऑफ गर्ल स्टूडेंट्स 25. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड नंबर ऑफ बॉय स्टूडेंट। नंबर ऑफ बॉय स्टूडेंट में हम क्या करेंगे कि टोटल स्ट्रेंथ जो है हमारे पास स्टूडेंट की, उसमें से हम गर्ल्स माइनस कर देंगे, देन वी विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ बॉय स्टूडेंट। सो नंबर ऑफ बॉय स्टूडेंट इक्वल टू 60 minus 25 equal to 35. Now we compute the ratio boys to total students. So number of boys is 35, total students are 60. So 35 and 60 can be divided by 5, and after division we get here 7 ratio 12. As 5 7s are 35 and 5 12s are 60. So the answer will be, or the simplified form of ratio will be 7 ratio 12. Now the second part of this question, boys to girls. So number of boys equal to 35 and number of girls equal to 25. So we compute the ratio, that is 35 ratio 25, and as you see that both the numbers can be divided by 5. So we divide both the numbers by 5, 35 over 5 ratio 25 over 5, and after cancellation we get here 7 ratio 5. As 5 7s are 35 and 5 5s are 25. So the last or lowest form of the ratio is 7 ratio 5. Now question number 3. If 3 into 4x minus 5y equal to 2x minus 7y, find the ratio x ratio y. A statement is given and we have to find the ratio x ratio y. Now we have to simplify this relation, that is 3 into 4x minus 5y equal to 2x minus 7y. Open the bracket on the left side, 3 into 4x equals 12x minus 5 into 3y equals 15y, and this equal to 2x minus 7y. Now transposing the terms of x to the left and y to the right. So we get here 12x minus 2x. 2x जब लेफ्ट पे ट्रांसपोज होगा तो उसका साइन नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, और माइनस 15y जब राइट पे ट्रांसपोज होगा तो नेगेटिव से इसका साइन यहाँ पे राइट पे आके पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑन लेफ्ट एंड राइट साइड, 12x minus 2x equal to 10x and 15y minus 7y equal to 8y. Now as the required ratio is x ratio y, so we transpose all the terms containing x and y to the left and numerical numbers to the right side. So y is multiplied on the right side. When we transpose y to the left, this will be divided by x, so we get here x over y. And when we transpose 10 to right side, so it will also be divided by 8, so we have 8 by 10. So x over y equal to 8 by 10, and after simplification we get here 4 by 5. That is, both the numbers can be divided by 2. So we have 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. So x over y equal to 4 by 5, or x ratio y equal to 4 ratio 5. Now question number 4. Find the value of p if the ratios 2p plus 5, ratio 3p plus 4 and 3 ratio 4 are equal. Now students, as you see that the given ratios are equal, so we can write the above as 2p plus 5 ratio 3p plus 4, this relation equal to 3 ratio 4. Now this ratio can be written in fraction form as 2p plus 5 by 3p plus 4 equal to 3 by 4. This is the fraction form of the ratio. Now by cross multiplication we get here 3 into 3p plus 4 equal to 4 into 2p plus 5. That is के जो डिनोमिनेटर है राइट साइड का 4, वो लेफ्ट के न्यूमरेटर 2p प्लस 5 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, और जो लेफ्ट का डिनोमिनेटर 3p प्लस 4 है वो राइट के न्यूमरेटर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो ये रिलेशन हमारे सामने इस तरह से आ जाएगा कि 3 इंटू 3p प्लस 4 equal to 4 into 2p plus 5. Now we have to open the bracket on the both sides. So 3 into 3p gives us 9p plus 3 into 4 gives us 12. Equal to 4 into 2p equal to 8p plus 4 into 5 equal to 20. Now transposing the terms of p to the left and numerical numbers to the right side. So we have 9p minus 8p. 8p का साइन राइट पे पॉजिटिव है, जब लेफ्ट पे ही जाएगा तो साइन विल बी चेंज पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव. और इसी तरह से 12 जब राइट साइड पे ट्रांसपोज होगा तो इसका भी साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, प्लस से माइनस हो जाएगा. सो वी हैव आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन 9p minus 8p equal to p and 20 minus 12 equal to a. So the answer of this question are the value of p equal to 8. Now question number 6. Two numbers are in the ratio 5 ratio 8. If 9 is added to each number, we get a new ratio 8 ratio 11. Find the numbers. Now we will start the solution of this question. So because the ratio of two numbers is 5 ratio 8, we multiply each number of the ratio with x, and the numbers will become 5x and 8x, and the ratio becomes 5x ratio 8x. Now according to the condition given in the question, we have 5x plus 9 over 8x plus 9. That is, if 9 is added to each number of the ratio, so 5x plus 9 and the second is 8x plus 9. and when 9 is added to each number of the ratio, we get a new ratio which is 8:11. So 5x plus 9 ratio 8x plus 9 equal to 8:11, or in fraction form it can be written as 5x plus 9 over 8x plus 9 equal to 8/11. Again by cross multiplication, 8 into 8x plus 9 equal to 11 into 5x plus 9. Now open the bracket on the both sides. 8 into 8x, 8 8s are 64x plus 8 9s are 72 equal to 11 5s are 55x plus 11 9s are 99. So by transposing the terms of x to the left and numerical numbers to the right side, we have 64x minus 55x equal to 99 minus 72. And after subtraction, we get on the left side 64 minus 55 will give us 9x equal to 99 minus 72 will give us 27. So we divide both sides by 9 and we get 9x by 9 equal to x. 9 9 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा और 27 by 9 से हमें मिलेगा 3 as 9 3s are 27. Now this is the value of x, but the required numbers are 5x and 8x, and we have to put the value of x in these numbers. So 5x equal to 5 into 3 equals 15 and 8x equal to 8 into 3 equal to 24. Hence the required numbers are 15 and 24. Now our second topic is proportion. A proportion is a statement which is expressed as an equivalence of two ratios, or in simple words we can say that equality of two ratios is called proportion. दो रेशियोज को जब हम इक्वल लिखते हैं तो ये जो रिलेशन है या ये जो स्टेटमेंट है हमारी, ये हमारे पास प्रोपोर्शन कहलाती है. Now if two ratios A ratio B and C ratio D are equal, then we can write A ratio B equal to C ratio D, where quantities A and D are called extremes while B and C are called means. Symbolically we can write the proportion of A, B, C and D is written as A ratio B proportion C ratio D. ये जो 4 पॉइंट्स हमने डाले होते हैं इसको हम सिंबल ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन कहते हैं. आर ए रेशो बी इक्वल टू सी रेशो डी, आर इन फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म ए ओवर बी इक्वल टू सी ओवर डी. By cross multiplication we get the above fraction or above relation as AD equal to BC. Now you can see that A and D are the extremes and B and C are called means. So AD, this product can be written as product of extreme and BC can be written as product of means. So we have a relation which is a well-known formula of ratio or proportion is product of extreme equal to product of means. We can use this formula in the next questions. Now question number 8. Find the cost of 8 kg of mangoes if 5 kg of mangoes cost rupees 250. So we start the solution of this question. And suppose the cost of 8 kg which is required, so cost of 8 kg mangoes be x rupees. We suppose this. Now then in proportion form we have price, ratio price, proportion, quantity ratio, quantity proportion, price ratio, price. So we can write the above relation as 8 kg ratio 5 kg proportion x rupees x ratio rupees 250. Now ignoring the unit and by using formula product of means equal to product of extremes, we have 5 into x equal to 8 into 250. Now transpose 5 to the right side, we have x equal to 8 into 250 by 5. After cancellation, 250 by 5, we have x equal to 8 into 50. Or 8 into 50 gives us 400. So x equal to 400, or the cost of 8 kg mangoes equal to rupees 400. Now students, question number 9. If A ratio B equal to 7:6, we have to find the value of this relation 3A plus 5B ratio 7B minus 5A. We have to find this ratio. Now we will start the solution of this question. Given that A ratio B equal to 7:6, right, in fraction form we can write this as A over B equal to 7/6. Now we will use the value of A over B in the given relation, that is 3A plus 5B ratio 7B minus 5A. This equal to, in fraction form, this equals 3A plus 5B over 7B minus 5A. So 3A plus 5B, this is numerator, divide this by B, divided by 7B minus 5A over B. Now we get here 3 into A over B plus 5 into B over B. Each and every term of numerator और denominator को आपने B पे divide कर देना है, और जहाँ पे B over B आ जाएगा वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा और A over B वो उसी तरह रहेगा, और फिर हम इसकी A over B की जो वैल्यू हमने पहले उससे गिवन रेशियो से लिखी है वो हम यहाँ पे 7/6 पुट कर देंगे. So 3 into A over B plus 5 into B over B divided by 7 into B over B minus 5 into A over B. We get here 3 into A over B plus 5 divided by 7 minus 5 into A over B. Now we put the value of A over B, that is 3 into 7/6 plus 5 divided by 7 minus 5. यहाँ पे A over B की वैल्यू पुट करें 7/6 आ जाएगी, और अब आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर दें. 3 7s are 21/6 plus 5 divided by 7 minus 5 7s are 35/6. Now take the LCM in numerator and also in denominator. 21 plus 6 is the LCM in numerator. So 21 plus 5 into 6 divided by 6 whole divided by 7 into 6 minus 35/6. By simplification we get here 21 plus 30/6 divided by 42 minus 35/6. After simplification 21 plus 30 से हमारे पास आ जाएगा 51/6 और 42 minus 35 से हमें मिलेगा 7/6. Now this is a case of fraction divided by fraction. और जब हम किसी फ्रैक्शन को फ्रैक्शन पे डिवाइड करते हैं तो डिनोमिनेटर का जो हमारा फ्रैक्शन होता है वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आके इन्वर्स हो जाता है, सामने आके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाते हैं इन्वर्स फॉर्म में. सो 51/6 इंटू 6/7, और यहाँ पे 6 कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड द लास्ट आंसर इज 51/7, जो कि लोएस्ट फॉर्म है, मजीद कैंसिल नहीं हो पा रहा जहाँ पे. सो वी हैव 3A plus 5B ratio 7B minus 5A equal to 51/7. Now we start question number 10. Here we have to complete the relation or find the value of. So we have third part of this question number 10 is if 9PQ by 21M equal to 18P over 5M, then we have to find the value of 5Q. Now as you see, the fraction is 9PQ over 21M equal to 18P over 5M. So by cross multiplication we have 9PQ into 5M equal to 21M into 18P. Now students, we have to find the value of 5Q. So we separate 5Q on left side, and when we separate 5Q in a bracket on left side, the remaining is 9MP and this equal to 21M into 18P. Now 5Q को आपने लेफ्ट साइड पे रहने देना है क्योंकि हमने इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो जो लेफ्ट साइड पे 9 MP यहाँ पे हमें नज़र आ रहा है, इसको हम राइट साइड पे ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे। तो सो 5Q इक्वल टू 21M इंटू 18P डिवाइडेड बाई 9MP, एंड आफ्टर कैंसलेशन वी गेट हेयर 5Q इक्वल टू 21, M कैंसिल हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे 9 2s are 18 हो जाएगा और P भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा। सो वी गेट द न्यूमेरिकल नंबर 5Q इक्वल टू 21 इंटू 2 विच इक्वल टू 41। सो द वैल्यू ऑफ 5Q इक्वल टू 41। Now question number 11, find x in the following proportions. So the first one is 3x minus 2 ratio 4 proportion 2x plus 3 ratio 7. Now this can be written as 3x minus 2 ratio 4 equal to, proportion को आप equal में बदल दें, equal to 2x plus 3 ratio 7. Now using the formula product of extremes equal to product of means, we can write the above as 3x minus 2 into 7 as these two are the extremes equal to 4 into 2x plus 3 as these two are the means. So product of extreme equal to product of means के according हमने इसको लिख लिया. Now open the bracket. On the left and right side we have 21x. 7 into 3x will give us 21x minus 7 2s are 14. This equal to 4 into 2x 8x plus 4 into 3 12. Now transposing the terms to the right and left side, we have 21x minus 8x equal to 12 plus 14. So the simplified answer is 13x equal to 26. Now we divide in both sides by 13 and get 13x by 13 will give us x. 13 is cancelled with 13 and 26 by 13 will give us 2. So we have x equal to 2, or the value of x in this question is 2. Now third part of this question is x minus 3 by 2 ratio 5 over x minus 1 proportion x minus 1 by 3 ratio 4 by x plus 4. इस रेशियो में, इस प्रोपोर्शन में आपके पास 4 की 4 क्वांटिटीज, जो 4 की 4 जो टर्म्स है ABCD, वो आपके पास फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में है. हम इसको इसी तरह से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन्स और एक्सट्रीम के मेथड से. तो करते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं हम इसका सोल्यूशन. x माइनस 3 बाई 2 रेशो 5 ओवर x माइनस 1 प्रोपोर्शन x माइनस 1 बाई 3 रेशो 4 बाई x प्लस 4. नाउ चेंज द प्रोपोर्शन सिंबल इनटू इक्वालिटी. x माइनस 3 बाई 2 रेशो 5 ओवर x माइनस 1 इक्वल टू x माइनस 1 बाई 3 रेशो 4 बाई x प्लस 4. Now using product of extremes equal to product of means, we have x minus 3 by 2 into 4 by x plus 4 equal to 5 over x minus 1 into x minus 1 by 3. Now after simplification, x minus 3 into 4 divided by 2 into x plus 4. यहाँ पे 2 4 को cancel कर देगा, 2 2s are 4, so we have the simplified form is 2 into x minus 3 over x plus 4 equal to, यहाँ पे x minus 1 right side पे x minus 1 से cancel हो जाएगा and we get here 5 over 3. Now open the bracket in the numerator of left side. So 2x minus 2 3s are 6, 2x minus 6 by x plus 4 equal to 5 by 3. After cross multiplication we have 3 into 2x minus 6 equal to 5 into x plus 4. Now 3 into 2x equal to 6x minus 6 3s are 18 equal to 5x plus 5 4s are 20. Now transposing the terms, we have 6x minus 5x equal to 18 plus 20. And after subtraction we have 6x minus 5x equal to x and 18 plus 20 give us 38. So the answer of this question or the value of x is equal to 38. Now the students, remaining part of this exercise are your homework. Thank you very much.